Introduction to the Spartacus Monoblock Power Amplifiers. The Spartacus Monoblock Power Amplifier is a two-stage, shunt-regulated, directly heated triode amplifier. It has an output of up to 70 watts in 4 or 8 ohms. Inside there is a tube rectifier choke input power supply unit feeding film reservoir capacitors, with each stage having its own constant current-fed shunt regulator. The input driver stage is a single-ended directly heated triode with grounded cathode and fixed bias and loaded with a rather special Japanese transformer. The output stage is a pair of directly heated triodes operating independent windings on the same Japanese permalloy core transformer, automatically biased through innovative servo circuitry. The heating of all the filaments is done through voltage-controlled current sources. Each amp weighing approximately 77 pounds, the case is made up of different thickness plates that are CNC machined from solid aircraft-grade aluminum. Looking at the front of the Spartacus monoblock, we have the on-off switch. When pushed, the red LED flashes, then turns to green when the Spartacus amp is automatically biased and ready for use. This process takes 3 to 4 minutes to complete. The Spartacus also has a built-in timer that counts the tube's working time. When tube's replacement is due, the green LED will keep flashing after the warm-up time elapses, meaning tube replacement is necessary for optimum performance. Viewing the top of the amplifier, we see the output impedance switch of 4 and 8 ohms, and a low, medium, and high input gain switch for matching your preamp and cables. The output stage is a pair of Emission Labs 520B V3 directly heated triodes. This tube is a state-of-the-art product in the family of the 300B tube. It is more efficient, has a higher gain output signal with a better control of bass. The input driver is a PX25. The shunt regulator is a G11. There are two 6D22C rectifier tubes and a SG13P voltage reference tube. Now moving to the rear of the Thrax Spartacus, you have this beautiful carbon fiber binding post with ratchet locking that will help prevent over-tightening and damage to your cables. There are two inputs, one unbalanced RCA and one balanced XLR, and a switch for switching from one to the other. When switched to RCA, the switch lights green. When switched to XLR, the switch lights red. The power supply is 115 or 230 volts, and the power consumption is 380 watts. The Spartacus Mono Power Amplifier is the world's finest audio amplifier and an absolute unique component. Its topology, premium parts, and flexibility make it a pleasure to hear and operate. Thanks for listening.